Hey, SKool Fool here. Um, I wasn't really making out with Kirby. I was actually just looking at him, smelling him, trying to smell and see what he smells like. Mainly because I'm showcasing today to you guys a new breed of plush toy. Actually, we're showing you guys all these cool new import Japanese figures that don't come to America. Why not? Because we lose out. But if you notice, this is actually a large Kirby stuffed official. These are actually officially endorsed Nintendo stuffed animals. Plushes, toys, dolls, whatever you want to call them. But they're super cool because, I don't know, especially the Kirby, just because it's a cream puff and it's got the right stuff and it's pink and it's really fluffy. It's a high quality plush. It's pretty cool. If you guys don't know about it, Sweet Johnny Cage wrote an article on our blog about the Nintendo Club. Now, I don't know if you guys know what the Nintendo Club is, but it's actually a club based out of Japan for Nintendo gamers that if you sign up, if you buy certain stuff and you sign up with them and you register your products, you actually get other free stuff from the Nintendo. For instance, I think there was a Brain Age 2 game. If you bought it, you got this official Nintendo Club stylus pack. Now, it's mad cool packaging. If you look at it, it's like brushed silver. It's like really, really classy. Like if somebody was coming to your house and look at this, it's just totally ill looking. And of course, you get the crazy set of styles. Not just one stylus, not two stylus, but seven. That's right, 7 styluses for absolutely
Styli.
oh, whatever stylus styli. So you get 7 styli for absolutely just being a big Nintendo fan and registering your product. And you really can't go wrong with these. These are actually official Nintendo DS styluses. You can use them for DS Lite, but I think they nestle really nicely, I think, into the original DS. But it's a limited edition product. Another cool Club Nintendo product that we recently got our hands on is this cool Nintendo, what is this? It looks like a Nintendo hat. It's actually Mario's cap, but it's actually a, see, it says Nintendo Club. If you can see real quick, I'll show it to you guys. See, Nintendo Club. Only Elite join the club. I always wanted to be a part of something, and I figured the Nintendo Club is a good way to start. So if you guys want to check any of these products out for the Nintendo Club, definitely check the right link of the right of the video, the link for Nintendo Club products. Really cool stuff, guys. We'll be showcasing special products every month for the Nintendo Club. They're actually a limited supply, so if you see them and you really like them, I suggest you pick them up right away because they're just never always going to be there. They're just eventually going to be gone. Speaking of things being gone, some spare change. We got this other cool like toy. I don't know if you ever seen it. It's the new Super Mario Bank. It's actually a bank, Super Mario Brothers coin bank. Some super extra change. I think there's a slice on top. Oh yeah, I don't want to crazy unwrap this thing because it's got 1,000 different holes. And if you see that hole on top right there, that's where your spare change goes. So you can actually collect coins from your friends, and you can charge them, come into your house and play video games and have them deposit some spare change in this bad boy. That's pretty cool. Oh, then we got some like Princess Peach here. Ooh, I'm gonna take her out of her bag. And these are specially imported from Japan. And some of them are made by actually Nintendo. Some are manufactured by Banpresto. Hudson, which is I guess a subsidiary of Nintendo. But this crazy Princess Peach is another crazy Japanese soft toy. It's pretty soft. These are high grade, so I mean if you wash them, use them as dog chew toys, which I wouldn't suggest. But if you really wanted to, it's just really cool novelty stuff I really haven't seen before, and we love Japanese stuff here. And here at Video Game Central, I'm just looking at this one. Princess Peach looked like she ate too many peaches. It looks like she's been still eating peaches. She looks like she's on PMS, but anyway. She does. Look at she's like about to float away. I don't know how to scale this is, but it's just it's still cool because it obviously looks like Princess Peach. And we got this guy, dun dun dun, Mario. No Nintendo fan can go without Mario. And another one of the products, an official, this is Banpresto product. It's a Super DX Action Stuffed Doll. Everybody needs one of these bad boys at home. And I think the cool thing about this one is actually this doll's hands, you can move them left and right, up and down, so you can pose them. You can make like, you can make like Mario do it like the quick two-step. And you can actually like, prop them up right there. There he goes. Let's see what else we got. Other cool toys. I mean, we got a Sega line of stuff. See, look at this, man. How come I can't go to a carnival locally and get cool stuff like this? All I get me is that like defective like snakes and all kinds of other like reject like crane machine toys. Can't get cool stuff like this. Bam! So yeah, that's pretty cool. We got Knuckles the Echidna. Of course, you all know where he's from. If you don't, he's from Sonic series. So, and he's really, like, they're really detailed figures. Like, they're totally cool. He's even got those little dreadlocks. I don't even know what those things are called, but they look really cool when they're flying through the air. So, and of course, we got this bad boy. And like I said, these are just a few of the products that we've recently captured stateside here for you guys. And we just got the new Softbee, actually, I'm sorry, desktop Softbee series, Super Mario Bros. Now this guy, you see how he's like, he looks man important in there, giving you the heads up, hats off? Well, that's because this is an actual scale replica, 1.5 feet. You get the, don't try this at home, kids. Here we go. And the box, even the boxes are cool. Like, if you even look at the packaging is like high grade. It's like, one of the question blocks. It's awesome. Oh, and actually, if you guys notice, looks like it's a co-licensed product by Bandai. See that right there? This box is so big, it's taking up my whole screen. So, anyway, so we're going to unbox them real quick. Just such an ill product, man. The packaging's it's so well done. I mean, you got a top box, you got an inner box, you got another box inside, another box. Oh, there he is. And he comes with a super sexy power-up mushroom right here. So if you look at it, you can actually put this in his hand. You can pose it any way you want. So it's an actually power-up mushroom, and he's like fully posable. He looks like he's got actually like wires and stuff attached to him. Like he's actually belted to the back of the box. Like he's actually a prisoner until you bring him home and hang him on your wall. But he's actually really heavy. Like he's got a lot of substance. It's super soft vinyl. Like smells like the inside of a pool, kind of. I mean, it's definitely an awesome product. Like you just don't see stuff like this stateside. I wish somebody made it. I mean, maybe they'll come out with a McFarlane figure or something. I don't know, but this is the desktop 1.5 Softbee Mario with power-up mushroom, and that's our Japanese toy display so far. Club Nintendo, cool Japanese stuff. It's me. Check it out. To the right, on the description, you'll see this link. You go to Video Game Central. Check it.